held inside, where daily choices shape the way the heart and mind reside. A quiet discipline begins within the unseen space, where inner habits gently guide the rhythm of our days. 5 inner practices awaken what the soul already knows. They clear the mind and steady the heart, where deeper wisdom grows through purity and content, peace through effort shaped by care. The inner life becomes the ground where truth is lived and shared. Clarity settles in the mind as inner noise grows thin. Gratitude softens every edge and peace moves quietly in. A steady fire shapes the will through patience, trust, and strength. The soul commits to walking true no matter time or length. 5 inner practices awaken what the soul already knows. They clear the mind and steady the heart, where deeper wisdom grows through purity and content, peace through effort shaped by care. The inner life becomes the ground where truth is lived and shared. Self-reflection, open sight through study, silence, prayer. The soul learns how to listen close to guidance always there. Devotion weaves through every act, no separate aim remains. Life is offered back to truth beyond desire or gain. Through inner order, strength arises, clear and softly true. The heart aligns with higher aim in all it says and does. The rules refine the inner path where awakening takes root.